What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox error that says your chat settings prevent you from sending messages or your Roblox chat basically not working, right? So let's get right into this. So the easiest way to fix this is once you're logged into Roblox, you want to click into the cog at the top right and then click into settings. In here, you want to go over where it says privacy and content maturity, and in here, you want to click into where it says communication. In here, you want to click into experience chat, and you want to basically make sure that you are enabled to chat with everyone and then everyone again. I believe once you have your account verified, you can have more fields like you do friends or other stuff like that. But basically, you want to have it on everyone so you're able to basically have the talks over here. That's it. That's basically all you need to do. Once you do this, you can you can just start the game or log out, log back in, and try again, and you should be good to go. Yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please smash it up. Go on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then more tutorials out. Peace.